So first of all, good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm over the moon so far. So what about you?
Yeah, actually, I'm good. Thanks for asking. So, by the way, we are meeting first time. So, can you say something about yourself? After that, I will say about myself.
Yes, sure. And thank you so much, sir, for having me great golden opportunity to introduce myself. So as you know that my name is Shibu Tudu, and if I talk about my qualification, so I have pursued Chinese standard. And if I talk about my state name, so I come from Bihar. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I'm very fond of to play cricket, settle, football, basketball. Yeah, these are my favorite game. And when it comes to talk about this language, so I'm very curious to learn this language. That's why I'm trying to learn this language. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, thank you. So, let me my introduction.
Okay,
Okay,
sure.
so yeah. Okay, my name is Varun and I am from West Bengal. And now, actually, I'm a student. I'm studying BS in Physics Honors. This is my final year. And now I'm running a YouTube channel because of my English. Actually, now I'm learning this language. So that's why actually I want to improve my confidence. So that's why actually I created my YouTube channel. Yeah, that's all about
Yeah,
me.
it's great. Once in a moon, I get a chance to talk to my who comes from West Bengal, and today I am feeling very radiant, happy, and I'm very privileged to talk to you. Yeah, that's great. So I can say right now, maybe you are going
Yeah, yeah.
somewhere. You hang back on your shoulder.
No,
Are
sir,
you going?
actually, you can say actually I am in my college.
Oh my goodness! It means
Actually,
always
yeah.
I can assume about you that you don't want to waste your time. Whenever you get leisure time, at that time you are trying to utilize it is a good habit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, when I get free, that time actually I want to talk different types of people, and also actually sometimes I talk with myself in English. Actually, now I'm learning this language, so that's why.
Yeah. Because you did it in your past, that's why you are able to speak much more. I can say that which kinds of effort you put it. That's why you today you achieved a great level. That's why you are able to communicate. It's great thing. Yeah. And I would like to tell you, keep doing, keep doing. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay, so
Okay.
by the way, actually, you are running a YouTube channel, no?
Yeah, I do run my YouTube channel. So I will send you after wrap up this call. So here I do not want to reveal my YouTube channel. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, so by the way, I want to know about spoken English. Actually, many people and many friends actually told me, if you want to learn this language, so you should learn first of all you should learn grammar. It is true or not? Actually, what's your opinion? What you are thinking about this?
Yeah, according to me, I would like to tell you there because I also consume a lot of videos on YouTube. So there are many people, even teacher also they are chanting that just try to speak without grammar and just try to speak. Yeah, even though I also would like to tell you my point of view is that like when we were child, so at that time we didn't read any kinds of book. Without read, just we were struggling to speak our native language. That's how we started to speak our native language. That's why today we are able to speak much more. We are able to communicate with any people. So here also I would like to tell you dear, first who comes from a beginner, I mean who recently started their English learning journey. So no need to read, no need to start from grammar. Just try to speak broken English, and broken English makes you better. I think you must aware. And until unless we do mistake, we can't achieve any kinds of a positive way. We can't able to get any kinds of things. Yeah. And here also like no need to take too much grammar, because if initial stage time we start to read much more grammar rules, so definitely our minds will be confused. So very difficult to when we will communicate with another people, that time our mind, as I told you that like confused. So at that time we will not understand, oh my god, which one grammar rule I have to put here, I need to put here. So like that, just try to speak broken English, and broken English makes you better. And after that you will realize that automatically it comes in your mind, it will come in your mind that which one where I have to work now, like that. And we will, though I also started like that, and when I started at that time I didn't aware that how to speak and from where I have to start. And since that time, just I started from broken English. Just I was speaking like that. I go, I need feed, I need go there like that, broken English. So after that, just I consume a lot of videos. After that, I got it that yeah, it means really necessary. Like for speaking English, we must have grammar. So yeah, that's why I'm telling you grammar also most important, because without grammar, if we speak in front of anyone, they will not get it that what you are telling. And in front of people you are telling, they will not get you like in which situation you are talking. So they will be confused. So that's why grammar is most important for learning this language. And yeah, my point of view, grammar is most important. Yeah, we
Okay,
cannot
so
avoid
actually
it.
grammar is important. Yeah, actually, I also actually I also actually like I would like to talk about every people. Basic grammar is important, but I want to know from you which type of grammar is important for English speaking.
Yeah, first, see, depend on person to person. Suppose that now you are intermediate, so definitely you would like to see next level, higher level. So definitely at that time you will try to work advanced vocabularies as well, conditional, positive, like that, this kinds of grammar. And who comes from beginner, who is just recently starts it. So I would like to tell to them that kindly just it will be better if you follow from if you start to read from state of being, state of position. So these are too much necessary, and over there you will get to know that like say, what is this color? It is a black color. What is this? This is a state of being. Yeah, state of being like that. So then that at that time, like they will get to know that what is first person, third person, and second person. Yeah, singular, plural. So I must recommend to them that just try to start from state of being. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. I want to know how did you learn this language and from where actually?
Yeah, it is very necessary. Just whenever this person asks, whenever this person asks me any person, so really I feel radiant happy, because at that time what I felt, I faced a lot of difficulties. So makes me positive, makes me energetic to do much more, achieve this language. So I would like to describe my when I started. So as I told you that just I have completed 10 standard, and at that time I wanted to study much more, and I could have studied much more. I could have been studied much more by my family. But that time, as I told you, my family had lack of money. Otherwise, I would speak this language very fluently. Yeah, but at that time I didn't get a lot of opportunity. But after that, I visited another state. So over there, I started to like consume a lot of videos, because right now I'm connecting to you from Kerala. So it means I faced language barrier. After that, I started to think that, oh my God, it means very difficult, because here I came for work. If I not understand, if I didn't don't get the native language, so very difficult to communicate with the people or take any kinds of help. So after that, I started to I tried to learn their native language, but it helped me, and even though these days also helping me, but I don't know much more about their native language, how to speak. But I'm very less confident on that. But then when it comes to English, so I have been learning this language for 1 year, 1 year, maybe 11 years, sorry, 11 months I have completed. But between my journey, I had not been doing consistency. I all time I was bark and no bite. So that things today makes me struggle to learn this language. Yeah, but even these days also I don't comfortable. But whenever I meet with any co-learner or a stranger, I do much more mistake. But I don't have any kinds of regret, because you must aware, you maybe watch some kinds of videos, and over there maybe you consume these days great speakers. What they are telling, they are telling that you are doing mistake. It is good, it is good, but always time it is not good. Just what we are doing mistake, just we have to work on that, we have to rectify. That's how we can enhance, that's how we can understand our mistakes. Oh my God, we no need to mistake again and again. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, right, right. Okay, sir. So actually, sir, if you have any questions, you can ask.
Yeah, definitely. I would like to I would like to ask you questions. I would like to, like, through I would like to ask you much more questions, but yeah, first of all, I would like to know about your English journey because you are speaking very well, and I'm sure that and you faced a lot of difficulties as well. After faced a lot of difficulties, struggle, you are able to speak this language. So yeah, I'm very curious to know something about you.
Okay, so thanks for asking. Actually, so how did I learn this language? If I talk about, so actually, I am from rural area, totally rural area, and now actually I am facing lots of problem. Like actually, in my surround, everyone speak our mother tongue, and if I speak English with some friends, so they told me, You can't learn this language. You should not speak in here because yeah, actually many things. This type of thing, actually many things. My friend told me that time. Actually, I was thinking, no, actually, I should learn this language because if I learn this language, so I can teach this language after my learning. So I will remove these myths. That time I was thinking, and also I'm learning this language, and also in my YouTube channel, I teach some tips and some trick and some grammatical things. Actually, I also teach because of that. And I face some problem like in my surround, there is no any environment, I can say. If anyone wants to learn this language, so they have to learn from online. Otherwise there is no any scope, I can say. So yeah, this is a thing actually. And
Yeah, it
sometimes
is.
yeah,
Okay,
sometimes
sorry.
when I go to my college, so that time also I'm facing some problem. Like many teachers, actually many teachers, 90% teachers speak English in my department. Actually, I'm studying physics honors, so that's why physics is English medium in college. So that's why actually every teacher speak English. That time also I am facing, and nowadays actually I'm not facing. Actually, I can understand and also I can reply in English with teacher. Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah. Yeah, as you told me that about your YouTube channel, over there you describe much more whatever you know related to grammar, what any kinds of word meaning. It is really good thing, and because in this era everybody wants to learn this language. If that kinds of people they will come across on your video, definitely they will try to watch, and over there they will get much more ideas, grammar rules as well, word meaning. They will try to adopt, and that one after adopting, then when they have the session with any co-partner or any stranger, that they will try to utilize, they will try to engage that word in their session, and it is very necessary. And I can say that, dear, as you told me that where you are studying, and in that college everybody speaks English, even though your teacher also, and you told me that 90% and 90% English is being spoken by teacher. So it means I can say that you have all hands on deck. Just try to utilize. I think I can say that one more thing is that you will not take too much time to become a fluent and learn this language. Yeah, and just try to utilize, because even though otherwise why we are struggling today, because today I'm struggling, because if I had English environment, definitely today I would be speaking very fluently this language. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
and
Actually, you're right. But actually, we don't go to college every day. When we have a practical, that time actually we go. Otherwise, for theoretical, we should actually we're studying.
yeah, and yeah, it is really necessary, as you said, that you are not going school at all times. You don't go to school, but no need to worry, because these days we don't have usually environment, physically environment, but we have. So maybe you have good phone, and just try to get much more benefit from your mobile phone, because these days I work in another state, because I don't get any kinds of environment. But today why I'm speaking very fluently, because I tried a lot, and always time I'm trying to use my mobile in a good manner. And after whenever just I come across with new word, one new vocabulary or idiom, that time I try to visit Google through, I take some help. Then after when provides me, then I try to engage much more, try to do practice. And just we have to watch many more motivational as well conversation videos are there, according to us, who speaks very well, just we have to follow that kinds of teacher or student, because my favorite is there. So I must follow him, and because over there I go to know that how to how to pronunciation some of the words. Yeah, it is a good thing. Even though I am also utilizing.
Okay, so actually you are speaking very well.
Okay, but yeah, yeah, it is a good thing. Like whenever we meet with any person or any strangers, like if that person is speaking very well, so suddenly we start to think about that. Oh my God, hey, that person is speaking very well. But why we are not thinking about their past? Which kinds of effort he did it, he put it. After that,
Yeah,
he is
right.
able to speak right now. So just opposite. We no need to think about how he is speaking. We have to think about their past, then we can learn much more about like from his journey.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, right, sir. Actually, sir, sorry for that. Actually, I have to go my class. My class will be start 12 p.m.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Actually, I have lots of questions I want to ask another session. So
Okay.
we will make another video.
Okay, sure. And thank you so much, sir. It was really great session with you, and I wanted to talk to much more, but no issue. As you said to me that next time whenever we meet, at that time we will do much more like talk. We will talk each other. So definitely, it was really great session with you. And break a leg for your study as well. Have a great day. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.